Like any skill you're trying to develop, sports, music, learning a language, Alta Ipsum is most effective once you make it a daily habit. With just a few minutes a day, you can train yourself to organize and plan your schoolwork, stop procrastinating, and just get it all done. The results are goals achieved and stress reduced, an unbeatable combination. To get in the habit, many students put the Alta Ipsum app in between Snapchat and Instagram, the apps they use right after school. This reminds them to enter their assignments and take control of their schoolwork first. They like the way Alta Ipsum automatically creates study plans because it keeps them focused on getting their work done. And social media is a lot more fun without homework hanging over your head. By getting in the habit, you can easily get that awesome feeling that comes from first doing your work and then having fun. Or maybe getting to bed at a decent time for some always needed extra sleep. Other students like to see their points rack up. One student who really struggled in school said that he started using Alta Ipsum and checking off the study plans for tests simply because he wanted the points. But he also said he would feel pretty dumb checking off a study plan without actually doing the studying. So, to get 5 points, he studied each day. After only a few days, he realized that while he still loved getting the points, Alta Ipsum was actually really helpful. Instead of waiting until the night before, he had studied for a science test each of the 4 days leading up to it. The night before, he found that he was completely prepared, so he got a great night's sleep and aced it the next day. And once you reach 500 points, you get an email from Alta Ipsum summarizing everything you did and reminding you to treat yourself. As you develop these important skills for school and for life, it's important to celebrate your successes and keep yourself motivated to continue the habits that are working well.